What's up guys, Kawasaki Brad here, and yes, over this past winter I've been installing a nitrous kit on my Z125 Pro. Was that a good idea? Probably not, but bad decisions make good stories, right? So I'm going to do a quick little run through, show you where all the bits and pieces are located and kind of how the install went. After that we're going to take it for a spin, see if it blows up. I hope not, but there really is only one way to find that out for sure. Solenoids are mounted in here. They share plate and mounting hardware with the rectifier. We didn't have to cut any holes there. You can see a little bit of the bottle in here, and you can reach around when you're on the bike and open and close the valve. The switch to on and off, nitrous master switch, is here. So normal operation, the switch is in its normal position. We have a horn. As soon as we turn that on, it activates nitrous instead. Turn it off, back to horn, and that whole thing is ignition powered. So don't have to worry about forgetting it on and people messing around with it. Here you can see we have the nitrous and fuel jet. So this is a wet shot. It shoots nitrous and fuel. I have my second O2, wideband O2, and of course your Kawasaki Brad O2 eliminator. So this eliminates the stock O2 sensor, otherwise the ECU is going to start freaking out and changing our fuel. The wideband O2 monitors up to the dash, and that way I'm going to be able to keep an eye on things and make sure they're not going too absolutely crazy for fueling. If you look down in here, you can see that the stock O2 has a plug in it, and I have the wideband O2 in a second bump. They were different sizes. Under the seat we have a little Arduino control box. I have that set up so it ramps through pulse width modulation to flutter the solenoids, so we're not getting like a full 10-horse hit on it, or else this poor little engine is going to explode when that happens. Consequently, this is exactly where they want to put the power commander. So he's now up inside underneath that. Here we have 3 relays tucked in behind there to actually control the solenoids because they take a fair bit of current. I have an auto tune module stashed back inside here. It's just powered off of the license plate plug because I don't run license plate lights. And of course the whole deal needs to be fused. So we go from there.